Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina Davis and we are about to get into the herb life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already so you can keep up with all my upcoming videos. I am putting together a little herb area off of my dining room. So I came out to a couple of stores and got some herbs and some peppers. A few of the herbs that I got, I'm sure you can see already. I got some parsley, I got some green peppers, I got some oreganos, I got some hot peppers, I got chives, I got dill, you name it, I probably have it. Some sage. So I picked out a variation of all different herbs that I like to cook with and that I like to use on a daily basis. And I went to different spots, Home Depot, I went to also Whole Foods, and I went to Wegmans. And I also stopped by the local farm area. They didn't really have as much as I would have liked them to have, but it's okay. I found what I needed at all the other locations I went to. I also shopped at Homes, Michael's, for some pottery things that I wanted. I wanted the area to be decorated really nicely. Although it's just an herb and it's plants, I wanted them to have like their little home too and let it be nice. The plants are alive, so you want them to feel, homey and feel special too. I got right into it. I got my dirt. I started potting my dills and my onions, keep those all together separately. And then your other herbs that you have, you can pot them together. So make sure you do your homework and your research on what herbs can be potted together and what cannot. And also make sure that you grab plenty of food for them. Some of these herbs are seasonal, so they will die off, but you want to keep it going throughout the whole entire year so that way they will grow back, and when it's their time to come back in, you will have freshly nice herbs. Kudos to my oldest daughter. She has been my helper through this whole herb process. She likes planting flowers and things like that, so she was very excited to help me with this project. As you can see, the pot that we are using is elongated. I wanted something more sleek looking because the balcony area, it's not wide, but it is long. So I wanted something that could slide right in to where we have to put them, and then we could put enough of them and several of them, and it won't get overly crowded in that area. Remember, guys, when you are adding decor outside, you want to make sure it's weatherproof. So you want to make sure anything you put in out there can sustain water. You don't want your things getting ruined while it's out there. You want to make sure you have proper coatings over any painting or anything that you're going to be putting outside. And with the fresh sign, I wanted to make sure that I make it match the color of my dining room. I have a lot of black and gold and gray in there, so I wanted to put a pop of color outside to separate some of that greenery. So as I began to add my decor outside, I wanted to make sure I also had lights. So I want to be able to see them at night. So when I'm cooking and I decide to slide open this door and cut some herbs, I can actually see. And it adds like a little style to it too. So it's really nice and cool. If you have any questions about the work that I did or anything that you see that you like, please leave me a comment. I will reply to you. I hope you really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. I can't wait to cook with these things. You'd have no idea. But thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.